Is what one does as part of the site selection visit. I've used the terms, I've tried to use site evaluation more often than selection, but please consider evaluation, qualification, selection as synonymous terms for this presentation. One needs to prepare for it, then do things at the site, and then have post-visit reports and follow-up. But before actually going to preparation, let me state the purpose of a visit. The purpose of a visit is to determine the potential of a given study site and verify if this is appropriate for a given study. So what one does at the visit is investigator's ability and experience is verified, resources are tested, whether he has adequate subject population, whether he has enough personnel to support him, and does he have really time to conduct this study. I want to emphasize on the preparation part a little more for having a successful site visit. As I said earlier, quite a few documents can be obtained in-house, in-office and reviewed. So you must not waste your time at site reviewing those. It is important that CRA training is done prior to site selection visit. I know of some organizations who definitely engage in practices where only experienced CRAs are sent for monitoring site selections. Site selection being the most important activity, it is not permitted in some organizations to be done by inexperienced and junior CRAs. Very often the team leads and project managers themselves engage in the site selection activities. It is also important to use the period between the feasibility report to the site selection visit optimally, gauge and gather all the intelligence information about the sites from all those whom you know. We should confirm the appointment with the PI and provide a confirmation letter, and it's important to do a checklist. So as I said, planning, checklist becomes part of planning. You must know what you have to do at the site, and unless you have a checklist to tick mark, you won't be able to do that. So at the visit, why do you need